girls, welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I have a brand new review on the new palettes by Glamlite. This is their Dirty Martini palette and their wine palette, okay? Glamlite literally took our last week in a choke hold, okay? When they released their pictures for these palettes, and I was just like, okay, listen, I have not been interested in getting new makeup in a long time, hence why the lack of reviews. Like, I've been buying some stuff, but I just haven't really been interested into like reviewing them. And this got me, like, when I say I was excited to actually review these palettes. So yes, I picked up, they came out with 4 palettes and I picked up 2 of them because these were the most interesting to me. So yeah, I don't want to ramble too much. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you picked any of these palettes up, because you know I put in my community tab and you guys are like, yeah, Whitney, I got this, I got this, I got this. Some of y'all think it's my fault. Listen, we're enablers to each other, okay? Y'all be tagging me on stuff on Instagram. But anyways, yeah, comment down below if you picked any of these palettes up or if you do plan on picking any of them up. And don't forget to follow your on Instagram at Ask Whitney. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna show you guys how I created this look right here, and I am loving this, okay? So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I already have my brows fully filled in using the Anastasia brow pomade in the shade Ebony, and then for my eyes, of course, my lovely Makeup Revolution. This is their eyeshadow base in the shade Medium. So I'm gonna be using a combination of both of these palettes today. I want to do the look together with both palettes, and rather than doing like one eye or doing 2 separate videos, I want to do all of that. So I'm gonna first start off with the Dirty Martini palette. Oh my gosh, ooh, look how pretty this palette is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna take this shade right here called Driver Mouth. That's funny. Okay, and I'm gonna take this brush right here. This is a Morphe M503, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place this in the inner part of my eye, like so. Oh my gosh, the pigment. This is actually a little bit deeper than I was expecting. Or not necessarily deeper, but I don't know why I was thinking it was gonna look a little bit more like olivey. It's like an olive color, but it's not like the olive I was thinking it was gonna be. I'm gonna go into the shade literally just called Green Olive. This shade right here. Taking this brush right here. This is a Sephora Pro brush. This is number 10. I'm just gonna go ahead and like use that color to like buff that shade out. Oh yes. Oh snap, snap! Ah! I got it too high up here. No. Okay. Oh, let me see. We can fix something. Like, I didn't get it too, okay, well, let me just see if I can do this eye like that eye. Okay, and I'm not gonna grab any more product. I'm just gonna see, actually, hold on, I'm gonna grab a little bit more just to blend out that part right there because I didn't have enough there. And we're just gonna use this to blend that out. Okay, that blended like a dream. Like, it was a little too easy. Okay. Now we're gonna jump over to the wine palette, and I'm gonna take another Morphe brush. This one's clean. It's the same M403. Put you over here, and I'm gonna go into. I think I'm gonna take the shade Vintage. Yeah, I'm gonna take the shade Vintage. Now, green and purple are shades that do not complement each other. Well, when I say complement each other, like they don't blend well together. If you try to blend green and purple together, it literally becomes brown and muddies up. So I have to be careful with this because these are 2 shades that don't typically work well with each other. Yeah. Oh my gosh, y'all. But this purple, do y'all see how deep this is? I love when shades go deep, like, cause I'm just like, oh, if this is looking like it's on me, what is it gonna look like on somebody deeper than me? Like, that is my biggest thing, is like, I like for shades to run deep enough for people who are deeper in complexion to be able to also utilize them as well too. Oh my gosh, this is like damn near black. Like, I love this, I love this, I love this. Okay, let me calm down. And these are just packing on so beautifully. Oh my gosh. Okay, and let me find another blending brush. I'm gonna take this one right here. This is the Morphe M503. And I'm actually gonna go into, I think I'm gonna take this shade right here called, oh, I got my nail in it, but I'm gonna take this shade right here called Pour It Up. And I'm just gonna use that to blend out this shade. So I'm gonna start off slow because I don't want it to go too far into the green because I don't want to start muddy. Like I have to be really cautious with how I'm gonna marry these two colors together. Also, I'm gonna be cutting my crease. I think that will help for sure. Oh, this is stunning. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this brush again that I was using to put on that shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and like kind of like bring this up a little bit more and blend it better because it's just looking like a little start and stop-ish, and I'm not liking that. Oh my gosh, y'all. So today is Friday that I'm filming this. I'm trying to, and it's like Friday night. Like, what time is it? I have a watch. I forgot I have a watch. It's 7:34 right now. Okay, I'm just now filming this because I have to get my hair done or whatever. I'm going out of town. I'm going to Dallas for the WizKid concert, even though I live in Houston. I know that sounds crazy, but yeah, I'm going to Dallas. I'm gonna make it like a little weekend trip. Anyways, so what am I even getting at? A lot has happened within the past 24 hours. Y'all, Nicki Minaj confirmed that she's gonna be at the Potomac reunion. If you don't watch Housewives, like, why? Like, why don't you watch Housewives? Okay, I love Housewives. Okay, so I'm super excited for that. And like, I literally can't wait. And then also I'm excited at the fact that I literally get to see WizKid tomorrow. Like, I'm about to elbow my way up to that front because I think it's like open seating, like in the Dallas location. It's not like, assigned seating. So I'm gonna be vlogging, okay guys? So shout out to people, like shout out to all the people who watch my videos regardless if you care for the content or not. I know I have a lot of people for different reasons on my channel. There's people who like my hauls, there's people who like my makeup videos, there's people who like, well, if you started watching me through vlogs, it's kind of what brought you in. So whatever it is that brought you in, shout out to the people who really do watch all the content I put out because it really means the world to me. Even if you don't actively engage in it, but you're just letting it play in the background, it really means a lot to me. So thank you guys all, okay? And even the people who still watch my content, even if you don't watch the videos, thank you, okay? It means the world to me that you're just even watching my videos. Okay, so let's get back to this look, okay? Let's reel it back in. And I'm gonna take this brush right here. This is what I used to put on that first green shade. And I'm just gonna slightly dust this into the purple. Slightly. Like, this is much easier to blend today, but I don't want to do too much. Okay, so I think I kind of like this. I do want to go back into that Dirty Martini shade, or sorry, not Dirty Martini shade, the Dirty Martini palette, and into that green olive shade, the one I used to blend out this darker green, and just make it a little bit more apparent because when I cut the crease, I need these to be popping. I had to literally use 5 brushes to create this so far. I'll be back because like I literally have to be like this in the mirror to cut my crease. So I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, I am back with the back, okay? And this is so scrumptious. Okay. Okay, so what I want to do is I think I want to take a little bit of, I'm torn. Okay, I think it's almost kind of like I want to do a halo eye, but not really. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that that dry Vermouth, whatever shade, and I'm just going to put a little bit here. Just a little bit here. Don't worry, guys. I'm hoping this all comes out because what am I telling no word to you guys? Whitney, don't. You need to be telling yourself because this is not a part of the plan. But we shall see. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this same brush that I used to put down that darker shade on the outer part, and I'm just gonna bring this in a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. Oh, I almost forgot about this eye. I literally almost forgot about this eye. Ooh, okay, so I wanted to do this shade right here, but looking at it, I feel like this shade will flow better, but I almost don't want to do the easier option, so I'm gonna go with this shade. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna take that shade, it's called On the Rocks. Yeah, this minty color right here, and I'm gonna lay this down. Ooh, Glamlite understood the damn assignment. Okay. Okay. Okay, so what I'm actually gonna do is, I don't like what I did with that green, so I'm just gonna like cover it up. Thank God I didn't put too much of it on. Yeah, we're not doing that. Abort mission, okay? Abort, abort, abort. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at how, I don't even know if the camera is doing what I needed to do. The camera is not cameraing right now because like I'm not understanding. Like, this is looking so good in person. And right now on the camera, it's like, I don't know if it's giving me the life that I wanted to give me. Like, is it giving you guys life? Are y'all feeling the life here, okay? Because right now I'm feeling it. Ooh, y'all know how I get when like shimmers are like chef's kiss, you know? Okay, and then, oh, no, do not get all over that. No. Okay, let's move you over here. Now, this palette right here, I almost wish, now, I love this palette. I feel like this palette was very well curated, but honestly, I feel like we could have done without these two shades. We didn't need both of them. We could have had one or the other, and I wish it would have given us like a light lilac shimmer color. So let me swatch them to see which of the two I want to do, because I want something like, okay, definitely not, oh, I'm torn now. Okay, they don't look the same on the hand. This is definitely more of a warmer color and it's more cool toned, but I wanted this like lighter. And then there was this one in the corner up here. Okay, so definitely not this one. I think I might have to go with this one right here. Yeah, let me see what this looks like. Or should I do this one? Okay, on the eye, I don't see no difference. I don't see no damn difference. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go with my initial option, and we're gonna do the shade Napa. Oh, kind of like Napa Valley. Oh, that's cute, that's cute. I haven't really looked at the shade names, honestly. Like, I really have not, like, nothing. So we're just gonna go ahead and place this down. Oh my gosh, y'all, this look, I can't wait for this all to be like blended and well put together, because right now this is just giving me all the life, like, and it's not even done. Oh, okay, so this particular shade is, I'm gonna show y'all this. It's not as easy to pick up on the brush like that other shade. Like, that one just like literally fell into my brush. Like, it literally fell into the brush. This one, like, y'all see how it's already trying to make like that mark? Like, it looks like I'm mushing into it. Yeah, this one is not picking up as well on a brush. So it might be one of those shades that is better probably with your finger. But as you guys can see, the way this look is looking, there's not enough space for me to do it with my finger. Okay, and then with the nails, I can't get in there. So it's gonna have to be a brush. Okay, now it's time for us to marry these two colors together. And actually, I want to go back in with that green shade, because I want the greens to overpower this a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Because right now it just looks a little too placed. And I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna blend this outer part too as well. And I'm just gonna take this brush that I was put on that purple with, and I'm gonna pull this green into it so I can like marry these colors together. Like I said, green and purple are not shades that typically like blend really seamless into each other. So this look is like, I'm like really, I feel like I'm doing something here, you know? Okay, and then I'm gonna take this brush that I had put on that darker shade with, and same thing, I'm just gonna like blend this deeper purple into that color so like it looks more well blended, because this, I don't like how choppy and this looks, no. And in the same time, I'm gonna go into that vintage shade now, and I wanna bring this up because you guys see it, like it's almost kind of like lost its sauce in here, like it's not really being seen. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on, and I'm actually gonna do the rest of my face off camera. Oh, I need to clean these lashes. But anyways, these are the Lily lashes in the style Mykonos, okay? And then I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts on this palette. I was gonna do swatches, but honestly, it is kind of late. It's about to be 8 o'clock, okay? And I really wanna edit this video because I want it to go up tomorrow, and I still have to pack. Well, I'm kind of packed, but I need to finish packing. And yeah, I just need to go ahead and like rest my brain. So I'm not gonna do swatches, but there's swatches like all over, like literally the swatch. So yeah, please forgive me. But anyways, yeah, I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. All right, guys, so this is the completed look, and oh my goodness, doesn't this just look so good all put together? Okay, Okay. Y'all, this. Okay, let's get to talking about these palettes, okay? So first things first, Happy Hour collection by Glamlite does consist of 4 palettes. I picked up 2 of the 4, and I feel like there's a chance that I might go back for that chocolate martini palette. I'm not dying to have it right now, but if they have like a really good Black Friday sale, I might scoop it up then. But yeah, so these are the 2 palettes. They each retail for $35. Wait, is it $35? Yes, they do retail for $35, but I think for both of these palettes, I paid 50 something because I used Trend Mood's discount code. There's a bunch of people who have like a 15% discount code. And then also you get free shipping on Glamlite if you spend over $49. So I didn't pay for shipping. So for $50 for both of these palettes was pretty good. Let me show you guys these palettes again. So this is what it looks like. You get a good amount of like product in here. You do get the mirror, and then let me show you size reference. So this is the ColourPop Hocus Pocus palette. So you guys can kind of get an idea of like they're not as big. Like this is just slightly bigger than the Hocus Pocus palette that, you know. So that's what that one looks like. So yeah, I feel like this is perfect. Like I feel like it's small, but the shades are a good size. And I like this. This is definitely a palette that I can feel like I could travel with. And then this is the wine palette. I love the color of this. I love how both of these palettes actually did a very good job at sticking to the theme. Like I don't think I have a purple palette that looks like this, that is so well done. This is such a well-rounded palette, and like both of these palettes, even though they are monochromatic and like it's primarily purple or primarily green, I feel like Glamlite did such a good job with the colors to where you can create so many looks with just this one palette alone. Like I feel like I have so many options in here without having to grab another palette. Let me make sure I'm in focus. And same thing with this Dirty Martini palette. Like yet again, this is just lovely, and I love like that random like peach gold shade. And oh my gosh, like they really understood the assignment. Also, they all come in like wine bottles, or yeah, like wine bottles, whatever. I just love Glamlite's attention to detail. Like if they are gonna pick a theme, they see it through. Now they love that, like they start off with like the food theme palettes, and like I'm not really into that. I don't really have many of those palettes at all. But one thing I will say is that they stick to their themes for sure. I love this. I love the packaging because I actually want to store them like this. I don't want to keep them in there, but I do plan on keeping those bottles. But I love like it's not a crazy shape. I rather them go crazy with like the actual exterior of the packaging, like what it comes in like the box, and then give us a palette like this. So anyways, that's that with that. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know down below if you like this look. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I want to edit this video now because it's 8:28. That looks on my teeth. It's 8:28 and I want to edit this whole thing tonight, upload it and whatnot, and have it ready for you guys by Saturday like afternoon. So if you guys see this video tomorrow, just know your girl stayed up for you guys, okay? So you guys can smash that like button because I did this for you. But anyways, until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.